Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the A Collegium with Purpose project Under the Spotlight. Here, individuals are given the opportunity to explore self in pursuit of their purpose. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson, and I'm your host. The A Collegium with Purpose project allows individuals to pause, take a quiet moment and listen, be introspective, and engage self-reflection in pursuing their purpose to unleash possibilities with far-reaching implications for self and others. Today, the Collegium with Purpose project spotlight is on Ms. Shanice Richards. Ms. Richards is a mother, a university student studying health science, a farmer, and a clerical assistant at McNie All-Age School in Clarendon. Folks, let us welcome Ms. Richards to the A Collegium with Purpose project Under the Spotlight.
Hi, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here this delightful afternoon.
Ms. Richards, it is my pleasure to welcome you to the A Collegium with Purpose project Under the Spotlight. I am looking forward to having an engaging, insightful, and interactive conversation with you about a topic which I believe is arguably one of the most consequential concepts in forming how we function as individuals and ultimately what we perceive as our legacy.
Hi, so I think I'm ready to be a part of this program and interview. Actually, I'm on this platform based on, I think, a purpose of mine and to assist also my past basic school.
That is awesome. It's awesome. So, Ms. Richards, today you're going to explore self in pursuit of your purpose. I will be asking you a series of questions relating to your purpose. Are you ready to conduct an exploration of self in pursuit of your purpose?
Sure, go ahead.
Go ahead with such confidence. I like it. You seem like you know your purpose and you're very purposeful about it.
Who knows?
Say that again?
Who knows?
Who knows? Well, well, we're about to go in and find out. And I suspect that you know. So, purpose is one of those concepts that tend to challenge many individuals, so much that when asked, what is your purpose? Many individuals tend to have some difficulties in giving a descriptive answer. So I believe that any discussion about purpose should begin with a definition. So, Ms. Richards, I'm going to ask you to define purpose, but do so in a general way.
All right, purpose. Purpose to me is the meaning of living. So, growing up, you might be at different stages of life growing up. You're wondering why you're doing this thing. Going through even adolescence, you're wondering why are you attending high school and so forth. So being an adult helps me to understand what purpose is to me. And I think purpose is the meaning of living. You can be alive but not living because there's no purpose in your life. So having that purpose now to actually live a fulfilling life, you're being able to actually contribute to society in a positive way. You're being able to actually evolve. So I think purpose is the true meaning of living.
So are you saying that without purpose, you're just existing?
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. So you have to find your purpose to know why you are actually living.
Very, very interesting. And, a definition as such tells me that you believe that purpose or understanding your purpose is of the utmost importance. So do you believe then that it is essential for individuals to have an understanding of their purpose?
Absolutely, I do, because in my community, to be honest, I see where young adults have been attending good high schools like my past high school, the Clarendon College High School, and they have graduated with subjects and stuff. And I see where they're lingering on the streets, not knowing what's the next step to move on. So to me, they lacked purpose. They don't know the meaning of living a fulfilling life. They don't know the purpose. It's like they have moved on from this stage where they had their parents to support them, and going into adulthood, they don't know what's the next step. They don't know what's their purpose. They don't know what they actually want to give back to society and how to live their life onwards.
So you attribute the level of lingering after leaving school to lacking a sense of purpose?
I do believe so, part of it, because in society these days, we have ways that persons can move on from such level, because you have vocational schools, you have volunteerism, because I remember when I graduated from high school, I had to stay home like for the period after, a year or so after, because my parents were struggling financially, but I didn't want to just sit. So volunteering came in. And our government now has been doing programs like the O programs and other programs to help young persons have such that they can actually move on or find a purpose until they can help themselves in a state of pushing towards their goal.
So what is your purpose? Let's talk about your specific purpose. Can you share that?
My purpose, to be honest, I think my purpose here in this world is to actually give back to others. I think my purpose is to motivate others to find their sense of direction or goal in life, to actually help them to find their own purpose as well. I think as an individual who is kind-hearted, I see the sense of giving or helping others. It doesn't matter which age group it is or which class of society. I am always willing to actually help. If I see that there is something in someone, I'm going to push that person towards that thing that they can actually find a purpose or find some meaning in that they can also enjoy. For say, having ideas that I can give to others that I see in their pathway to actually push them towards something that they would want to do or something that I see that they are good at.
So your purpose is grounded in giving back, lifting others up, helping them identify their purpose?
I think so. And to be a positive contribution towards society.